I'll do a quick overview on managing and creating gift cards. So we're on our marketing page on our purchase gift card tab, and I can see all the gift cards that have been purchased, who they were purchased by, who it was emailed to, what their redemption code is, and of course I could adjust the amount and balance if I need. I could also go ahead and delete it. And then up on the top we have some settings. Restricted means that only the purchaser and the email recipient can use the code. This prevents any third party from using it. Then we could choose, do we want to apply the coupon to the grand total of the order, so that's including fees, or only to the subtotal before fees. Finally, if we wanted to give somebody store credit, this is a very simple way to do it. Simply add gift card code, set an amount, create the code so I can make this someone's name, like John Adams, and I could choose to email it to him as well, or I could just let him know what his code is and click add.